So you typed, and wrote a kick-ass blog. You celebrate by sharing it on social media and in email blasts. And boy, is it a hit. People love it so much that some big shot website just reached out and asked if they could publish your work on their domain. #NBD. But wait, is that really a thing? You betcha! It's called content syndication, and it can mean huge things for your business. Perhaps you've heard of content syndication in terms of broadcasting, where a popular television show might show reruns on a completely separate network. Well, today, the term has been stretched to include the sharing of online content. Content syndication can get you more traffic, it can put you in front of different eyeballs or a brand new audience, build your brand awareness, even get you more backlinks. In my article, I'm going to discuss some benefits, common misconceptions, and best practices for syndicating your content. Head on over to Impulse Creative to check it out.